The top of your Blackboard file in Classin is a great location to put a game for your students. Games are a great way of doing behavior management and also class engagement. Keep them happy, keep them focused. I like to use transparent GIFs images. And what I'll do is put a predator like a bear right about the middle of the front screen. And then I have these silhouettes of people who are running from the bear. As my students come into the class, I take pictures of them and I place those pictures on the silhouettes. Now we have something that the student has a personal connection to. I've made an avatar that represents them. They want their avatar to be successful. They don't want bad things to happen. Next, I'm going to put a number line on the page. And the general premise of my activity is that the number line is going to track how many trophies a student has received in Classin. So if they're answering questions and having good behavior, then I'll reward them. And when I move their avatar, I'll do it in a way that's kind of entertaining, like, oh yeah, get away from that bear. Run from the bear. Good job. And sometimes I'll move the bear up a little bit. I'm hungry. The students don't want to be eaten by the bear. That would be somewhat humiliating for them. Although the goal is not to threaten or humiliate, it's to have fun. So if a student is demonstrating emotional problems with your reward system or your engagement system, then you can try something else, or maybe you can be really soft on that student so that they won't be eaten by the bear and then cry and have a meltdown. Usually that's just a problem for younger students, but it's something to be aware of regardless of what your situation is and what reward system it is that you're using. Anyway, this is one very simple system that I use for the purpose of online teaching. The reason why I position this at the very top of my Blackboard document is because as I'm teaching, I'm going to be scrolling down. One of the benefits of Classin is that it tells you your location right here. I'm on page 17.7 right now. So I can remember that number. Maybe I ask a student a question, they answer correctly, I want to reward them, so their avatar is going to move up, and I was able to go to the top of the document instantly just by hitting my home key, and then to get right back down, I just look at my page number readout while I'm hitting my page down key, and I can generally get right back where I was within several seconds so that I'm able to use my reward system without having an undue interruption to the flow of my class.